boys. This is gonna hit us.
Hello, everyone.
We're gonna get back. Holy! Oh! High ground! High ground! Higher ground! Oh my God! Oh boy! Oh boy, we're in trouble.
This wasn't just a blackout, it was a warning of how destructive the storm had become.
Get the dogs in the house. Hey, get them in the pantry. He's right here. Go, go, go. Oh, they're burning left and right. God damn it.
Como podemos ver, está un tornado aquí en las albercas, aquí en Comic City. Como podemos ver, aquí en Comic City.
This might be one of the worst things the wind could possibly pick up. This illegal logging crew in the Amazon quickly learned what happens when nature fights back. Would you dare to take on a wave like this?
I don't know, but do you want to come inside?
I have a feeling this family cancelled their Florida plans after seeing this.
Babe! We're not moving here. You're not working in this. Oh my.
Why would anyone leave their boat out in weather like this?
Malaca.
Hurricane Helene may have moved on, but its aftermath was just beginning. The resulting floods collapsed a road bridge in Ofton, Tennessee in October 2024.
Bridge.
Oh my gosh! Holy shit! Do you see it, Brittany?
Yes. I'm watching. Wait, it's about to go up. Holy cow. It's really close to us. Look at the rain. It just went up. It just went up. And just like that, it's gone.
He thought he was just watching the wind until it suddenly came to life. In August 2024, a local man in Marfa, Texas, witnessed a powerful dust devil form right in front of him.
Lo tengo grabado.
¿Sí? Sí. Ahorita me lo manda.
No.
Oh my god! Holy run, run!
Some experiences leave you shaking with fear, others fill you with joy. This one somehow does both at the same time.
No way! Oh my god! Guys! Oh my god!
It's hard to look away when nature creates a spectacle like this. At just the right angle, sunlight turned a whale's breath into a breathtaking rainbow over the ocean. Most people visit Portugal for its beaches, others come to witness monster waves taller than a 10-story building. The sea tried everything to stop it, but the ship kept pushing forward wave after wave.
Oye, ponlo. Puro, pura eso, aquí va a subir. Sí, exacto. धुलो
Standing this close to an avalanche is every mountaineer's nightmare.
Come under my jacket.
A massive landslide in Norway was triggered by unstable quick clay turning solid ground into a flowing mass within seconds. The Earth's greatest masterpiece isn't built by humans, it's created by nature itself.
Wow. Oh my lord. Holy. That is a
Some people make a
giant
wish when they
shooting
see a
star.
shooting star. What would you wish for?
Wow.
Seriously, when a storm is approaching, staying indoors is always the safest choice.
So guys, ako kayong bar down guys. Tara guys. Hi mga guys. Ako kayong bar down guys. Muna siya guys.
Oh my god! Oh my! We hit some iceberg. We hit some ice. Oh my god!
It
Oh
honestly looks
my
like Godzilla
God.
rising from the depths of the ocean.
Whoa! Oh!
It did.
Bunch of crocs. Pete, you're too close to him. Oh God, Pete, your pedal's too close to that one.
I don't know who was more startled, the crocodile or the guy.
Ой, аж страшно открывать. Офигеть, щелканье. Охереть, прикинь.
Nature's electricity is far more powerful than anything humans can control.
Все, пожар.
Holy s***!
When the storm finally unleashed its full force, the tree became an unstoppable battering ram. I'm pretty sure that suitcase was trying to catch an earlier flight. Back in the age of sail, an encounter like this could have meant certain disaster. While crossing the Bermuda Triangle, a cargo ship came face to face with a towering waterspout.
По балконам люди откапываются. Там еще метет по чуть-чуть. Как метет?
After all that
Поземка.
snow, you'd better remember where you parked, or you might end up digging out the wrong car.
Ну, капец.
OK. Gå foran, da. Å, fy fader, det er helt sykt. What the hell?
Forget wrinkles, this wind skips straight to old age.
It works.
We know it's a culprit.
Oh my goodness. What the hell? Flipping out, dude.
Strange beams of light were seen moving around the clouds, creating a mysterious sight in the skies over the United States.
This is a mud volcano, always bubbling and shifting with constant movement.
No fishing rods were needed today. The fish came to the people instead. It may look like a frozen tsunami, but this incredible phenomenon is driven by powerful winds across Lake Erie. Few trees in the world can do this. In Dinosha, Montenegro, a centuries-old mulberry tree becomes a natural fountain whenever heavy rain increases pressure in the underground springs. Nature doesn't need fireworks when it can create something this magical.